Marching. See, there are many ways to march. Like in a marching band, like a bored kid in class, like an over-energized kid who's offbeat, or like an average student in class. But can you make it funky? Before we break this down, you must be on beat. If you can't find your rhythm, leave me a comment, man. I'll help you. I will break the march down into 3 elements. 1. Step down on the beat. Every time you hear the beat, your feet should step down on the floor. This is not the march. This is the hip-hop bounce. You can find that tutorial in a different video. This is the march. Step down with energy and make sure you are on beat. Try marching in different directions, have fun with it, and drill it into your muscle memory. 2. Focus on your hip. Learn to rock your hip front to back. Imagine a drum in front of your belly button and hit it with your stomach every time you step down. If you cannot step and rock your hip at the same time, just focus on the hip. Then try combining them from time to time. Be patient with your practice, don't rush it, and never give up. 3. Be funky with your neck. Rock your head back on the beat. Remember, I said back, not front. Some of you might be doing the chicken head move where your chin moves forward on the beat. But I'm trying to teach y'all to rock it back. Focus on the neck before trying to combine them with the hip and feet. It takes time, but like all great things in life, you must earn it if you want to keep it. When you're able to practice all 3 elements simultaneously, try to travel around the dance floor and try different combinations. Don't worry about messing up because we all do that from time to time. Hope you had fun dancing with me, Ceech. If you did, drop a like and hit the subscribe if you hadn't already. And I'll see you in the next video.